So to draw your piece of pie, I used my paper as a guide. So I'm measuring my pencil and I'm drawing kind of a very light diagonal line. And that really helps me make the line for my pie. You can see I'm going to do it again. That's the first line of my pie, and that really helps make the first line. And then I kind of see, I'm going to show you over and over. I make that, and then I go down straight from there. And then this bottom line matches that top line right there. Because you're going to be drawing two of these. We're going to finish this pie off two different ways. Then it goes kind of on an angle. And you could practice sketching these a couple times before you get it right. And then I go down around to make the crust of the pie. And this is a sketch. I'm sketching it very lightly. I'm actually doing it much darker for you so that you can see it. But you want to sketch it very lightly so that you can erase things. Okay, and then this is a semicircle. This is like because the inside of a pie is circular, so that's kind of a semicircle. And then the whipped cream starts kind of in the middle there. And I make a kind of again, another semicircle, and then I build it up just like I taught you how to make the whipped cream for the cupcakes. You're going to make the whipped cream for the semicircle, for the pie, and it goes over that. And then you're going to have to erase that line that's inside there. That's why I said you want to work lightly. I'm working very dark so that you can see it because it's hard on video. And then to make that plate, you have to imagine that plate's going to go, it's a roundish plate and it's going to go through that pie. You want to go around the bottom, but it's going to go through that pie. See how I'm going through the pie and around the side? It's not going to go around that pie. It's got to go through that pie. The pie is going to stick out. So it gives the illusion that the pie is sitting on the plate and not just on that plate. And then you're going to draw sort of that shadow for the bottom of the plate. Now you could practice this a couple of times, of course, before you do it. But then you're going to want to draw two of them. Now, if you want to draw one of them dark so that you could trace over for the second one, that's fine. You could do it that way. We're going to do one in colored pencil and we're going to do one in watercolor and see which one we like better. And then I draw a table that it's sitting on so that it looks like it's sitting on a table. And that's that. If you have any questions, we'll talk about it in class. We'll do it together in class anyway.